Welcome to Godrej Summit. I am Tushar Verma and I will be taking you on a tour of the project and show you the sample flat. To start off, let me tell you a little bit about Godrej Properties as a brand. Godrej Properties combines a 123-year-old legacy of trust with our commitment to cutting-edge design and technology. We are currently present in 12 cities across the country and have 14 projects in Delhi NCR. Godrej Summit is well connected with Gurugram and Delhi. The sector is adjoining Dwarka Expressway, which is an under-construction signal-free highway being constructed by L&T. IGI Airport will be in proximity via the upcoming tunnel from the Gurugram-Delhi border till Terminal 3. There is a proposed rapid metro route from Huda, extending towards Subhash Chowk, Hero Honda Chowk, Sector 9, Sector 4, Sector 5, Sector 3, Railway Station Road and Sector 23. Just like the commercial Sector 29, we have another commercial patch running parallel to Dwarka Expressway and Sector 112, 109 and 106. The proposed Indian International Convention Centre, golf course, Conscient One that includes retail shops, food joints etc. and many more to come up here in this commercial patch. This sector is close to Old Gurugram, which adds on the advantage of operational day-to-day amenities like schools, hospitals, malls, markets, etc. Godrej Summit is a ready-to-move-in project with 300 plus families residing already. It is spread over massive 22 acres, having 11 towers with ground plus 18 height and comes with a mix of 4, 6 and 8 tour-core apartments. We have varied typologies of 2, 3 and 4 BHK. This is the main entry and exit. Here we have 3 schools in the close proximity, out of which only the primary school, which is MPS World School, is operational as of now. We have multiple sports arenas for outdoor sports, basketball court, badminton court, skating rink, etc. We also have operational society commercials for your daily needs. There is even a kids play area for the children of the residents. This is the state-of-the-art 1346.63 square meter clubhouse, which is ground plus 2 floors with multiple sports and recreational activities. This is our operational 5-dining restaurant by the poolside. Adjoining to the restaurant is this multi-purpose hall, which is for social gatherings and get-togethers. We also have an indoor games room wherein you have access to games like chess, carom, table tennis, billiards, etc. And here at the gym you can get fitter with the latest Precor machines along with showers and steam rooms. So finally, on the second floor, we have an operational 32-seater private miniplex, which is equipped with Procella audio system for an ultimate cinema experience. Let me give you a tour of our 4 BHK plus utility plus study sample flat, having a total area of over 180 square meters. This size is available in Tower A, B and C with unit numbers 2 and 3. So this is our sample flat. The entrance of the flat is through this foyer, and as you enter, on the left is the study, which can also be used as an extra space as per your need. We have a L-shaped living and dining area that is attached with a separate balcony that not only provides much more of a spacious feel, but also allows ample amount of ventilation and daylight. Imported marble have been used in living area and dining area. And right in front of this dining area, we have this huge kitchen. The kitchen is fitted with the granite slabs, sink, fittings and fixtures. is attached with a huge utility balcony which leads you to the utility room. The utility room has a separate entry and attached washroom. As we move further inside the apartment, on the left is your first bedroom, which can also be used as the kids' room. This room has an attached washroom. Right next to the first bedroom, we have these two other bedrooms, and this one is the second bedroom. This room also has an attached washroom and an L-shaped balcony for splendid views. Right next to the second bedroom is the third bedroom, which can also be used as a family lounge. It has a personal balcony for proper ventilation throughout the unit. This room shares the washroom with living and dining area. Right opposite to the three bedrooms, and at the end of the apartment we have the star of the house, which is the master bedroom. This master bedroom has a king-sized balcony along with a separate wardrobe space with foyer and a spacious washroom as well. This bathroom has ROCA or any equivalent fittings and fixtures. With anti-skid tiles for flooring, this is standard in all the washrooms. Just like this bedroom, all the bedrooms have laminated wooden flooring that is easy to maintain. Thank you for taking this tour with me. Reach out to Godrej Properties for any queries and we will resolve it for you. We are happy to see you soon at our Ready to Move in Homes Godrej Summit.